Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. When it comes to nightlife destinations in Vientiane, there are several places where you can have a smoothly and fun-filled experience. Here are the top 5 nightlife destinations in Vientiane. Bor Pen Nyang, located along the Mekong River, Bor Pen Nyang is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. This open-air bar offers a relaxed atmosphere with live music, delicious food, and a wide range of drinks. You can enjoy beautiful views of the river, while socializing with friends or meeting new people. Samlo Pub is a vibrant and lively bar that attracts a diverse crowd. It's known for its energetic live bands, featuring both local and international musicians. The pub offers an extensive menu of drinks and a great selection of bar snacks. The lively atmosphere and energetic music make it a perfect spot for a fun night out. Scandinavian Bakery and Cafe. While not your typical nightlife spot, Scandinavian Bakery and Cafe is a popular late-night destination among locals and expats. Open 24/7, it offers a cozy and relaxed environment, where you can enjoy freshly baked pastries, sandwiches, and coffee. It's a great place to unwind and have a smooth night out with friends. Vientiane Bowling Centre. If you're looking for a unique nightlife experience, head to the Vientiane Bowling Centre. This bowling alley is open until late at night, and provides a fun and entertaining environment for both locals and tourists. You can enjoy a game of bowling with friends, grab a drink at the bar, and even participate in karaoke sessions. Marina Pub and Restaurant. Situated on the banks of the Mekong River, Marina Pub and Restaurant offers a laid-back and casual atmosphere. It's a popular spot for enjoying the sunset, while sipping cocktails or having a cold beer. The restaurant serves a variety of international and local dishes, and live bands often perform, adding to the lively ambiance. Remember to check local regulations and opening hours, as they may vary. Additionally, it's always a good idea to exercise caution, and take necessary safety precautions while enjoying the nightlife in any destination. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.